Tarrus Riley's 2006 hit, She's Royal, has just been certified silver in the UK, a whopping 18 years after its initial release. The Brit Certified Silver Award was granted by the British Phonographic Industry, BPI, on February 16, acknowledging the song's impressive sales of over 200,000 units in the UK. This marks Riley's first solo track to receive certification in the country, a significant milestone in his musical journey. Interestingly, his 2015 collaboration Powerful with Major Lazer and Ellie Goulding had previously earned silver certification in 2021. The Reggae Gym, produced by the legendary Dean Fraser for Riley's Parables album on VP Records, carries a deeper meaning. Riley, a Rastafarian, emphasized the importance of uplifting women and promoting self-esteem, addressing the lingering effects of historical conditioning and slavery. Riley's inspiration for She's Royal stemmed from a desire to boost confidence. As he explained, "I wrote the song just to let women feel nice." His identity as a Rasta played a significant role, as he aimed to convey a message of royalty and positivity. Interestingly, the song almost had a different title. During Hurricane Emily in 2005, Riley originally named it She's Got It. However, a friend's question prompted him to reconsider, leading to the birth of the empowering title, She's Royal. The impact of the song extends beyond certifications, with She's Royal being Riley's most streamed track on Spotify, boasting an impressive 38 million plays. The music video, reaching 100 million views on YouTube last July, features Riley serenading his Caribbean queen, directed by Rupert Campbell and Richard Della Pena. What are your thoughts on Tarrus Riley's delayed but well-deserved recognition in the UK? Do you have a favorite memory or connection with She's Royal? Share your comments below.